Okay, we've reached question 4.2.5 for 2 marks. We are asked to do the following. We're supposed to find the G minus 1. Now remember, what does that mean, folks? Let's put it into your sketchboard. G minus 1 of x is the inverse. Okay? Always the inverse. Please, under tips, G minus 1 of x is not 1 over G of x. It's not a reciprocal, folks. Please don't make that mistake. It's an inverse, and an inverse is a process. Okay, so they want us to determine the equation of the inverse of G in the form. Now remember, if they say that, G is a line, okay? G is the line that we had G of x is equal to a half of x plus 9 over 2. Now on the sketchboard, let's write down the process for finding an inverse. You interchange your x and your y value. That's what that means. Your x becomes a y, your y becomes an x. That's the first step in the process. The second step is to solve for y. And then you have your inverse in the form y equals something. Okay, let's see how we do that. Now, first of all, our g of x is a y value. So y will be a half of x plus 9 over 2. We interchange the x and the y. That would mean that x is equal to a half of y plus 9 over 2. Now, that's g of y. We want g of x. We've interchanged the two of them around. Now, I don't like fractions. I don't know about you, but they irritate me. So at this point, I'm just wanting to get rid of them. So I'm going to multiply both sides by a 2 so I don't stumble over some silly fraction. Then I get 2x is equal to y plus 9. And then there's my inverse. Y is 2x minus 9. Now, folks, that is your inverse of g in terms of x. You've done the interchanging. The interchanged happened over there. And here in the last bit, you solved for y again for 2 marks. It's easy marks. Remember the process of finding the inverse.